United States President Donald Trump has once again stirred global business conversations, and this time by publicly stating that he told Apple CEO Tim Cook not to build factories in India. Speaking at a business forum in Doha, Qatar, Trump remarked that while he appreciates Apple's investment in the United States, he doesn't support the company expanding its manufacturing base in India unless it's solely to serve the Indian market. India can take care of itself. Well, that's what he reportedly told Cook, signaling a clear preference for domestic US production over international diversification. Well, Trump's comments came at a time when Apple has been aggressively expanding its operations in India. In 2024 alone, the company manufactured approximately 40 to 45 million iPhones in India, with nearly 15 million exported to the US and another 13 million to international markets outside India. Apple's Indian manufacturing partners, including Tata and Foxconn, have shipped iPhones worth over $2 billion to the US this particular year, setting new records in output. Well, this shift is part of Apple's broader strategy to reduce its reliance on China, specifically in the light of increasing tariffs and geopolitical uncertainties. Currently, about 80% of iPhones sold in the US are made in China. But Apple plans to shift a significant portion of that production to India by 2026. Despite India offering significant incentives to foreign manufacturers, including the possibility of zero tariff for US imports, Trump's message seemed to reflect a broader theme of economic nationalism. He emphasized that Apple should reward the US for favorable treatment by expanding production domestically rather than in countries like India. Now, if we see it from an Indian perspective, then this stance raises concern. India has positioned itself as a credible alternative to China in global supply chain, not only because of its growing technical infrastructure, but also due to its political stability and large talent pool. Apple's presence in India is a strong endorsement of that particular shift. However, let me tell you, Trump's rhetoric could complicate this transition. If companies like Apple are pressured to concentrate manufacturing in the US purely due to political sentiments, India could face setback in its ambition to become a global electronics manufacturing hub. Yet, company analysts note that while Trump's remark may influence public discourse, market realities often drive corporate decisions. Rising production costs in China, coupled with India's maturing supply chain ecosystem, make India an increasingly viable choice for companies like Apple. Well, in this geopolitical tug-of-war, India must remain focused on strengthening its infrastructure, ensuring policy stability, and cultivating skilled labor. Apple's ongoing commitment to India, despite the global noise, signals that the country remains central to the future of global electronics manufacturing. Whether or not Trump's views translate into actual shift in policy or strategy, India's place in the evolving global chain network seems more secure than ever.